Mahalo. I'm Captain Seasoning, and I wanted to give you a quick quarantine salad that you can make at home. Very quick, very easy, and very delicious. Let's look over here, okay? So first you want to do is you want to take the salad. If you can see it right there. We're going to mix it in. We're just going to stir it around. You want to get every little piece out, like that little guy right there too. While we're doing that, we're gonna take the carrots and we're gonna slowly mix them in. You just want an even placement. Get every little one of them out of there. We're gonna take the tomatoes and we're gonna also do the same thing like you did with the carrots. I really like these. These hold a lot of flavor in them. Gosh, that's just so good. Now, see how evenly it's all spaced out in there? Look at that. Look at that. But you're not done yet. We got one more ingredient to add. Can you see that right there? The Catalina? I found this in my sister's refrigerator. We used to have this when we were kids, so it's a little expired, but it's not too bad. I'm gonna shake it up, and then I'm gonna just pour it. Now you can do a little, or you can do a lot. I like a lot. Gosh, that looks so good. I mean, that's something you'd get at a real fancy restaurant even. Then we're gonna take that and we're just gonna whip it together. You wanna get every piece covered. And then you just take the wooden spoon, you put it aside. Let's give it a try, huh? The richness of the lettuce and the crispiness of the carrots and the supple poppiness of the tomato. Wow. And there you have a perfect salad that's delicious and healthy. Don't feel the need to transfer it into another bowl or anything. You can just eat it right out of this bowl and it'll taste just as good. This is the way we live now. And isn't it great? Mahalo.